I've just sat and made some of these. Now, these are only just to show you that what you can make, the little tags. I use corner punches like this, only cheapos, and this one, just little cheapos, but they do the job. I've had mine a long time, so I've got my money's worth out of it. Do you remember the envelope? I think it's called, if you look on this channel, I am going to be doing it again, but it's called the coin envelope. So I show you how to make the coin envelope. I've done mine without the flat and just put the section out there, cut it out. This one, CD one, but I've done it in a miniature. Very, 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 very simple. You just can't get them simple enough. Oh, my desk is in a mess. Now, using the Elegance paper again. There you go, easy to do. What I'm going to be doing is making some of these up from that paper, just so that you can buy these tags. I'm not going to do this one as much as that because it needs to be halfway, so I'll keep these for myself, for my own use. So I think what I'm going to do now, ladies and gents, is just share some of these bits and pieces with you. So let's have a look. Now, where's my cutting mat? Let's use my board. I don't know what I've done with all my tools. Where they are. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm using one of these. I'm not keen on this. It doesn't do what I want it to do, and it's kind of worn on the end. So I'm going to take my A4 sheet, like that. And we're going to go 5 and 10 inch. 5 inch and 10 inch. Easy to remember. Turn it round full so it's lengthwise, portrait size, and you need to go to 7.5. What can be easier than that? Okay, now from that, my scissors have gone all yucky ducky. They have gone really sticky on end. I need to try and clean them. Well, I will do at some point. Let's try and clean that off, because they're sticking and it's awful. I'm just going to take that and fold that. I will take the bone folder, and we've scored down the lines where we want them, and now we're just going to burnish them. And if you want to know what that means, it just means putting a decent crease in it. That's all it means. You know, in my world, you're just putting a decent crease in it. There you go. Now, we cut this one off. So, I will always cut in front of the line, not behind it, in front of it, because they close easier. See, like that. And then we cut diagonally across that section. Not much, that'll do. And again, diagonally across that section, and then we diagonally across that section. So you're taking that corner out. And if you want to, you can also just a slither off that. You don't need much, it's just, I don't like them right near the edge. So we've got that. Let me just move my board. Another one. Oh, baby. So I've got a broad one, I'm sure that will do. Yeah. Right, I'm just going to use that one here. Try and get it near the edge as you can. Like that. And then we're going to do this one. Now this is the top section, this is the bottom section. Doesn't matter if it hangs over, you can always tuck the tape in. Like that. But before I do that, because that's going to go like that, and I cut this slightly inwards, remember, so that that folds over better. So this is the section, you turn it over, all the lines are on the back, so the plain front, and this is the section we're going to use. Punch, where's my punch? Punch, punch, punch. And I've just got a 2-inch circle, and is it 1.5 inches? Can't remember. Oh, can't remember. Again, this is a woodware craft collection. Great punch. I've had them years. And I line mine up with this line and this line here. Trying to get that right. That just works well. See how sharp it is? And I've had it years. Don't know where the bottom is, but I've had it years. So, then what we do, I've got a little spike. Mine's a tool spike thing. That is as well. I used to do it for fossiling. Okay, we fold that in. We fold that over. And we fold that over. And there you go. See, I'm taping myself up now. Look. Fool. And there's your envelope. So, what I'm going to do is just to burnish that a little bit more. Lays that flatter. And perfectly good envelope. Now, if you want one with a flap at the top, we'll do that one. And then we do that one. Okay, so we'll give you the measurements again. This one. We score at 9.5 across the shortest length. We turn it around portrait. We score it at 8. These are inches. We turn it around landscape. That's the landscape. And we score it at 10. And then all we do is we fold that section over. And you've got that. Okay? Now, the widest part, which is that, which is at 1.5 inches, is your flap. Your top, sorry. So where's my scissors? So what we're going to do is cut that at an angle. Cut that at an angle. Snip that out. Cut that at an angle. And cut that below the line. So you're doing it, I'm doing it this way, so I'm going to do it in this side. Just cut it below the line. Like that. Again, cut that one at an angle. And cut that at an angle. Cut that one at an angle. And again below the line and cut that one. Like that. And there's your basic. See, that will fold over, that goes over there. And then that's your flap to your envelope. And they're as easy as that. So, just talk you through that again. A4 envelope. A4 envelope. A4 paper. You score it at 9.5. Did I do that? Yeah. 9.5. You then turn it and you score it at 8.5. You then turn it and then score it at 10. Like that. Okay. So I'm just going to put that one together. But just so that you can see. Okay, so score at 9.5 and then score at 8 score at 10. And then fold, flap, to line. And that's it. So you're scoring it, you're folding them, and there you go. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that together. I'm going to use this tape for this one. Fold that over, fold that one over, fold that one over. Either way, it doesn't matter. And there you go. And all I'm going to do is, where's my punch? I'm going to use my punch here, Stampin' Up punch. You don't need much, just enough to get your hand in. But there you go. Like that, and there's your envelope. Now you could use a sticky back on there, you could use a magnet, you could even, I'm going to cover that one up so I'm not bothered about mine. You know, whatever you want to do. You could even make yourself a little button thing. I'm going to put a little magnet on mine, and there you go, we've got that. So I just hope that helps. Okay, they're easy to do. Play around, make what you want, and just play. That's all. The whole point is to play. Nothing special about it. And there you go. I'm going to put my tag back in that one. So there you go. Just a few things to share with you. And I had another one somewhere that I can't find. It's not hard to make your own tags and to make your own tag holders. Have fun, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.